Hey everyone! A couple of years ago, we went to something so special, we just have to share it with you. It's in New Mexico, and it's called the Catwalk National Recreation Trail in New Mexico in the Gila National Forest. Are you one of our subscribers yet? If not, today would be a great day to subscribe. It's absolutely free and it helps out our channel enormously. The fee is $5 for day use parking at the recreation area. In 1893, miners built a pipeline along the canyon wall to carry water from upstream to a stamp mill that crushed the ore. Workers had to maintain the pipe, so they built a narrow wooden walkway attached to it, the original catwalk. The nearby mining district around Glenwood, New Mexico and Whitewater Canyon produced mainly gold and silver. The trail is 2.5 miles round trip, it's easy to moderate, and at a relaxed pace, it takes you about an hour. As you cross the first catwalk, your mind just goes to the past and you think about those courageous miners who worked in pretty difficult conditions. As we hiked the trail, we saw waterfalls, pools, and towering rock walls. These walkways recreate the paths miners used in the 1890s when they balanced on a pipeline carrying water to an ore mill. We follow someone on YouTube called Catherine Gregory, and she had just been there. And after seeing her video, we absolutely wanted to go. It definitely was a little unnerving walking over the catwalk with the rushing water beneath us, but what a view! And what an experience. At times it felt like we were walking through a maze, but one with beautiful views. What a place. This was a spot where we had to go down a ladder and get really close to the river and even cross it. And no, there was no bridge there, but it was an easy crossing. At this point, we weren't supposed to go any further, but if you know my husband at all, he's going to find a way around that. At this point, you cross over the river and start the journey back. I'll be honest, I was really sad it was coming to an end. The air was so cool and crisp, and the water was so beautiful. And those catwalks are actually in excellent condition. It was just a magical, beautiful trail, and I'm so glad we went. This was incredible. This was the most beautiful, short, pretty easy hike. But oh my goodness, this needs to be on everyone's bucket list. Thanks a lot for coming with us. I really hope you'll get there someday yourselves.